Hi guys, I'm Sanjay and I'm the co-founder of ShopClues. I manage fulfillment operations for ShopClues and also look after product and merchant tool building in ShopClues. And before ShopClues, I worked for eBay for about 8 years in the San Jose head office. I used to manage shipping, fulfillment, billing, payments, and the likes, So I've been doing this for a while. We also believe that we are in the business of creating a platform. The platform which will enable retailers, small, medium businesses, manufacturers, brands to not just look at e-commerce revolution from the sidelines, but start participating in it, actively. So that is our charter, that is our vision. So coming back to ShopClues, so it is a marketplace which empowers merchants, small and medium businesses to participate in this e-commerce revolution. We are brand agnostic, price agnostic, category agnostic, because we are a platform. Just give a brief background, ShopClues started last year. We now have about more than 5 million monthly visitors on the site, more than 200,000 SKUs, about 2,000 plus brands. And in fact, earlier in the day, when I was having lunch, somebody asked me, why would brand want to be on a marketplace? There are brands in the marketplace, and of course they want to be on the marketplace. Why not? And of course, we have a pretty decent following on Facebook. I'm very proud of that. 8.5 lakhs in 1 year, not bad. This is the suite of services, that ShopClues provides. And basically it is saying, what is omnichannel? It is all these channels combined together, working cohesively. It is almost like saying, how to ride a bicycle, you might as well drive a car because the fundamentals are the same. It gets you from point A to point B. No, that's not true. It is very, very different. You have to learn how to use it, and that's why omnichannel seems like, it's different. So I'll keep going. So what are the challenges? You have to have a very consistent marketing across all channels that you work in. You have to have visibility into inventory across all your channels. It is very easier said than done. By the way, it doesn't just end there. You need to have a very intelligent order management system that knows how to route your inventory from point A to point B. You're buying it on a retail shop floor, but it's going to be shipped from a warehouse. And which warehouse? Maybe you have 15 of them. So you need something very, very intelligent to do that. And of course, you have to manage returns. It's not going to be easy. Customer service. So here's what I'm going to say. First is, you're an entrepreneur or an impending entrepreneur. There is a huge opportunity here. We need solutions. We need solutions. We need to learn from the experts. But people who are already in the business, they need to start thinking about technology, invest in technology. It has to be done. You just cannot, shy away from it. It has to be done. Invest in supply chain technology. You have many vendors here, and our expert panel is also part of that. Payments, marketing. Business intelligence is very important. That the guy on the shop floor, when he was smiling that you need a Bluetooth, is because he had that information in his shop. Of course, you have to take a long-term approach. It is a hard problem to solve. It takes time. So you have to give yourself 3 to 4 years, 5 years, and this is not going to be solved like overnight. And the reason it is 3 to 5 years of investment, you need to consider the fact that you have a business to run, which you are running right now. That is your family Mercedes. You need to take care of that, because that is what is, giving you the cash that you need right now. So you have to take care of that. When you are doing omni-channel, you need to take care of, what you do best. You leave some of the other more difficult parts to the experts. For example, platforms like us, who can manage they give you the technology platform, the payments platform, the customer support, the business intelligence, everything that you need to start taking best advantage of this e-commerce revolution. So that's all I have. Thank you.